What is up guys, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's video I am going to bring you my unboxing of the Google Pixel 3 XL. So although you are seeing this video now, I have had the device for around probably 5 or 6 days by the time this video is published. So my full 1 week review will be live probably in the next few days from now. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn notifications on if you want to see it. And if you have any questions, don't forget to ask down below and I will try and answer them in that review. So with that said, let's jump into this. So as always, I'm going to use the karambit to open the box, which is totally unnecessary as it does have pull tabs, but you know how we roll here. So as always, on top of the box we do have the Pixel, so I will put that to one side for now. So other items in the box include all of your paperwork and SIM ejector tool. We have our USB-C power adapter and of course our USB-C to USB-C cable, which I will say is a good length. We have a USB-C to 3.5mm adapter, as sadly again we have no headphone jack. And I will say at this point I really hate this trend more than any other trend out there. I just wish they would keep the headphone jack, please. So Google have included a set of USB-C earbuds, so I will definitely give them a try and let you know how they sound in the full review. And with these earbuds they also have an inline control that you can press and hold to access Google Assistant if you really want to do that. So last of all in the box we have the quick switch adapter, which I absolutely love as it makes my life so much easier when switching devices, and I will show you that in action shortly. So I guess at this point it's time to check out the device itself. So I went for the clearly white variant of course, as I love that clean look. I just wish we still had that panda option available. So let's just take a quick look around here. On the bottom you will find your USB-C port and of course the SIM tray. And a quick note, we do not have any expandable storage here, but just remember that Google do provide you the ability to upload unlimited photos and videos at full resolution. So you can access them anytime, so that should help you decide whether you need the 64GB or 128GB options. So I know this deal does last for a few years, so you should be good on the storage front until then. Moving on to the right hand side we have the power button, which is coloured this time round and I am totally digging it, and beside that we have the volume keys. In terms of design, it does look a lot like last year's, but we have a painted metal frame and a full glass back this time round. So as you can see, the glass does have two different sections. We have the glossy top and also this soft touch lower that I will say feels super nice and adds some grip. So there is of course a reason for the glass, and that is because we now have wireless charging, and you know your boy absolutely loves wireless charging, so I am super thankful Google has included it. So elsewhere on the rear, we have the fingerprint scanner, and what can I say, it's positioned well and works fast. And last of all, we have the camera. With other companies going for multiple lens setups, Google have decided to stick with the single 12MP shooter with f1.8 aperture and OIS. And why wouldn't they, as last year this is a camera that everyone talked about. Every time someone mentioned a comparison picture, everyone favoured the Google Pixel, so it makes sense for them to stick with it. So as expected, from taking a quick few snaps, the images possess great detail and the dynamic range is crazy. Google has added a lot of new features to the camera this year, and I'm sure you've heard all the buzzwords and probably seen the event, but I am definitely excited to get out and test this for the full review. If any of you guys want to see a comparison on the camera quality between this and maybe the iPhone XS Max, whatever, OnePlus, whatever, let me know down below in the comments section, as I would love to go ahead and try a camera comparison on the channel just to see how it goes. So now let's move on to the display. So what we have here is a 6.3 inch OLED panel with Quad HD resolution. So when I first saw this at the Google event or the millions of leaks prior, I won't lie, that notch really bothered me, and I honestly don't really hate notches like some other people. I practically get on with them on a daily basis using my P20 Pro, but the size just kind of threw me a little bit. So there is a lot going on inside that deep crevice. We have dual 8MP front facing cameras with autofocus. The main shooter has an f1.8 aperture with a standard view, while the secondary is a wide angle with f2.4 aperture, and as you can see, that wide angle just lets you get so much more in the shot, so it will be perfect if you are one of those selfie loving people out there. Last of all, in the notch we also have our earpiece speaker combo, as of course we do have dual firing front speakers, and I must say after watching some YouTube videos and playing some games, they sound absolutely fine, no complaints at all. So what do you think about the notch? Let me know down below. Go easy. So obviously I did go ahead and set this up, and of course already spent about an hour using it at the Google event. And as expected, setup was super easy using the quick switch adapter and took about 4 minutes in total, so super quick and easy. So my first impressions are that the Pixel feels fluid and responsive with no real hiccups noted. As expected, it arrives with Android P out of the box with the Snapdragon 845 on board and 4GB of RAM. So initially I was a little worried about that 4GB of RAM, but after playing around with it, honestly, I feel that Google has probably optimized everything for the hardware here. So I will be putting it through gaming tests and all that good stuff. So definitely stay tuned and subscribe if you would like to see a dedicated gaming video, just to see if we can get this to slow down any. One thing I have noticed, and not a lot of people are talking about at the minute, is how good the new haptic system feels on the Pixel. I know we've seen this on iPhones before, and honestly, when you enable this in the settings, it feels really good when you're scrolling through the menus and all that good stuff. I am definitely digging it, so it's definitely worth checking out. So my SIM card will be going in the Pixel 3 XL, and this will be my daily driver going forward. As I mentioned at the start of the video, I have probably already been using this for around a week when you are watching the unboxing due to my crazy schedule trying to balance work and YouTube. But in the next few days, you will be seeing my 1 week impressions, so definitely stay tuned for that. The one thing that I am kind of worried about is the 3450 mAh battery. I am a super heavy user. I mean, I do a lot of gaming, listening to music. I am never off my phone all day, so it will be interesting to see exactly how that holds up. But we obviously do have the fast wireless charging and fast charging available, but it would be good to see if we can get through a full day without having to rely on that. So as always guys, if you have any questions, let me know down below. Let me know what you think of this device so far. I know the internet is probably going crazy, so go easy in the comment section and you know I will definitely get back to you. As always, stay safe, be kind to each other, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.